Hey, what's up, guys? It's Anus Mangler here. I'm going to do a brief tutorial on the HETMAN Artificial Commander mod by, I think the guy's name is Ready Gear. And I just want to give a big shout out for helping me out understanding all the finer points to a guy on the BIS forums, uh, Lucidity. All right. First off, there's going to be a link in the description down below here that it's going to download it and find your mission folder. I would show you where it is. If you don't know where it is, then I really can't help you because, quite honestly, Fraps will not film my desktop for whatever particular reason. So find your mission folder and all the stuff in it. Put it right in it. When you open the folder, there should be something called mission SQF or mission something or another, but just find that. It should be like little text thing in there. Just drop all that stuff in there. All right, with that being said, let's get to it. In this tutorial, we're going to do a tutorial basically on how to get it going and how to activate Big Boss. So you have the high command overlay, so you can see all like the losses and the percent stuff, and like more assets and whatnot. So, okay. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to make a commander. So we're going to make a commander. Make him doesn't really matter, but you can make him whatever. Uh, by the way, this is for only USMC and Russian units. We're just going to use vanilla units. You can use AO, but you have to go into the script to activate that. So for right now, we're just going to make a vanilla map. Make him non-playable, because if you want to play this, obviously you do not want to be the commander. All right. So then we're going to make another one. An op4 kernel. Also make him non-playable. All right, and you're going to go up to your first commander. Type in leader. Oops. HQ. Okay. And then you're going to go down here to the other kernel, the Russian guy. Make him leader HQ B. Alright. Now we're going to make 4 triggers. And what I'd like to do, what I saw on another tutorial, which actually made a lot of sense, uh, make one of these 500. And inside the name field, what you want to type is RYDHQ underscore OBJ1. This is going to be the first objective of the Blue 4 commander, because when you type this, if it doesn't have a B or a subsequent letter all the way to H, it will always go to the main commander. Also, which I also found out, which was very interesting, one commander can only have 4 objectives. So just also keep that in mind. So if you want to make more objectives all across like a big map, you're going to have more commanders, and we'll go from there. But for right now, we're just going to make 2 just to get something going. Alright, so with that trigger down, what you want to do is just copy it 3 times, go into the second one, put 2, go to this one, 3, and 4. Alright, now with that being done, you have these objectives, so you can put them anywhere on the map. Strategic locations, houses, whatever. It's always good to have so that you know that you won. Uh, I mean, if you're not using triggers to end the map, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but whatever. You want to have one over your main commander, so this is your base, this is your first objective, second objective, and then when you arrive here, you pretty much probably killed everybody. So with that, if you copy them, you can make 4 more. Alright, now with these 4, what you want to do is come down here, get that other underscore 10 out of the way, and right where it says this, type B. And do that for the other ones. 2 B 3 B, and just notice that now, B. Alright, with that being done, you're going to take the first one. You can minimize these. It doesn't matter. Doesn't mean that that's the ring that the enemy's like going to capture it by. I think it's 500 by default. It's just for so you know that which one is which. You're going to drag them right on top of the other ones so there's conflict points. They don't have to be, but if you just have them going to all over the map, it doesn't really matter because they will never get into a fight. So then after you do that, we are going to set up Big Boss. Okay, now with that being done, you're going to make yourself. So I just want to be I'll be a lieutenant here, and I'll be I don't know, some rifle guy. Make sure you're not grouped with the commander. Then we're going to make 6 game logics. Come down to here, game logic, option, or objects, and go from there. So you're going to make 6 of these things. Alright. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Alright. I don't want to talk to you right now. Alright, so now what we're going to do is in the initialization field. Sorry guys, I'm getting over a cold. You're going to type this set variable bracket parentheses area. Wow. Yeah, I want to capitalize that. Area value parentheses comma 5 bracket semicolon. Okay, hit done. And I don't know why I did that, because you can just copy this one. Now, what this means is this is the area, quote unquote, that you want your commanders to go to, and this is the priority. So, say if your first objective is in a town, but you know it's not that big of a deal, you assign that to like 1. Or if you want to capture like a major city, set it to like 9 or 10. It goes all the way up to 10. So with more value goes that goes up the number, or up goes the number. So from there, that'll be that. So just keep them in a line here. Then for this game logic, in the name field, what you're going to type is R Y B B A underscore SAL. Okay, so you're going to do that, put that right up there. Again, you can copy it and paste it, and come right down here, get rid of this, and instead of A, right here, type B. Now this is to activate Big Boss right here. So what you're going to do is you are going to synchronize your top one to all 4 of these. And same thing for the bottom. Alright. Whoops. Okay, now with that being done, you're going to drag the top one wherever your blue 4, so even if the map is up, well, not the map, but if your units are upside down or reverse or whatever, drag the A, which corresponds to your commander, that is the HQ, on top. Then you're going to drag the other one to the bottom, or wherever your Op4 units are. Now, with these 4, what you're going to do is you're going to take the first one, put it right on top of the trigger that you made for the first one. Then you're going to take the next one, put it on the second, third, fourth. Okay. From there, pretty much that's about it. Basically, we're just going to throw some units down. I don't know, whatever the hell that thing is, and then, I don't know, some tanks or something, and, I don't know, some helicopters. And, for the Op 4, so they have something to command. Some tanks and some helicopters. Okay, so now that that's done, alright, so after you've thrown down your units, sorry guys, I made a mistake, what you want to do is save your mission, uh, whatever, Ask Masters, make it a user mission. Now, this is where the link down in the description, what you're going to do is you're going to download that, open up the RAR, and there's going to be a whole bunch of information in there. Just drag that right to your folder in your Armitude thing, and your mission folder, and that should be that. So I'm going to do that real quick right now, and I will show you what it will look like. Alright, so now I put my all the stuff that's in that RAR, put it into my mission folder, and then we're going to hit preview. So the first thing that's going to happen is probably not that, but it's just because how close we are on the map. The helicopters are probably going to go start shooting right away, where normally they would just kind of fly in position. So if you're patient for probably 30 seconds, this is going to happen. Big Boss is going to turn on, and it's going to start trying to figure out how many units it has, what they're up against, where everything is on the map, your objectives, and then you're going to hear your radio turn on, this is HQ, and then you're going to be like copy or whatever. And you're going to hit J, open up your diary, set the current task, and this is going to be your task to walk or drive wherever to here, all the way back. Oh, sometimes before you can even do that, that happens where you get a second objective. And my now objective is to go search and destroy the enemy. A one lone man army here. And then if you open up on your map, it's going to show you where it's going to go. When you open up this, you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff on the map. Basically, I believe these are like Big Boss's waypoints. It's target for the our leader, the Blue 4 leader, is to go to this town and start bum wrecking shit. So, yeah, pretty much that's about it. It's definitely a hell of a lot of fun. I've always wanted something where I did not have to play as the commander. I can just be told what to do, because it's much more fun that way, because otherwise you know where everything's on the map, and you're just like, oh, there's that guy. Okay, there's that guy. Yeah, it's boring after a while, but yeah, this definitely adds a level of unpredictableness, and it's a lot of fun. So hope you guys really enjoy it. Um, I'm just going to do this, and that's pretty much it, man. So definitely enjoy it. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, and knock yourself out. All right. Thank you for watching.